You've probably seen these oddly satisfying rust cleaning videos going viral on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. What if I told you that you can create these exact videos entirely for free using AI? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using ChatGPT and Grok AI. First, you'll need the master prompt. I've left a link to a Google Doc in the description. Open it up and copy the entire text from the document. This prompt is specially designed to give the AI the perfect structured instructions. Next, head over to ChatGPT. You don't need the paid version. The free one works perfectly fine for this. Paste the prompt you just copied and hit submit. ChatGPT will automatically generate a list of 20 random rusted metal objects for your video. If you don't like any of the ideas on the first list, you can simply type "Give me more," and ChatGPT will generate a fresh batch of objects for you to choose from. For this example, I'm going to choose number 10, an iron door hinge. So I'll just type 10 and hit send. Now ChatGPT does its magic and gives us two very specific things, an image prompt and a video prompt. Let's start by copying the image prompt. Now go to Grok AI and click on the Imagine tab on the left menu. Make sure you select Image and change the aspect ratios to 9:16, which is the perfect vertical format for TikTok and Reels. Paste the image prompt we got from ChatGPT and hit Submit. Grok will generate 4 incredibly realistic images based on our prompt. Take a look and select the one you like the most. I'm going to go with this one. Now it's time to bring this image to life. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Return to Grok and right below your chosen image, click on Make Video. Paste the video prompt into the text box and click Submit. Now just wait a few moments while Grok processes the generation. And here is the result. Look how incredibly realistic the cleaning animation is. If you aren't completely satisfied with the movement or the result, you can always hit the Redo button to try again. Here, I'm showing you a few different generations I made until I found the perfect one. Grok AI even generates sound effects for the video. Once you have a video you're happy with, click on the 3 dots and select Upscale. This will enhance the video to a much higher resolution, making it look incredibly sharp and high quality. Finally, just click the download icon to save the finished video to your computer. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.